and go live on Insta and on Facebook. And everybody is hidden behind their cameras. Okay, if that's what you want, if that is what makes you greater, if that is gifts you everything that you desire. I was attending one call last night. She was a bulldozer, and everybody had the faces on. And I said, "Where is my bulldozer gone? Have I tamed myself? Because I used to be like that. Hey, put it on. Hey, do this." So I
Well, it is because you are at ease.
yeah, I say, okay, fine. If you want to go for it, because you can't force anybody to achieve what they do not want to achieve. You cannot force anyone. You can force for half an hour or 1 hour that you are with me, but it's okay. I'm okay. I'm not so much of a bulldozer. I am still, but not so much of a bulldozer. But there are some people who like to be bulldozed. Some of us like to be pushed. Some of us like to be told what we should be doing. Some of us want to hold somebody's hand and go for. So that is also okay. Till you get your own uh, being together, that's also fine. Nothing is right or wrong. So, like all the DJCCs and all the PES juniors that brought up, would you be willing to destroy and unkid it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, all night, short, boys, poads, and beyonds. So today is I'm a bulldozer for my dog. He's finding some place where he can't hear me. Nowadays, if I leave that door open, they go to other rooms and sleep quietly. They don't want any disturbance. So here I am a bulldozer for them. So today is the 8th September 2024. We are at our Sunday Farnaging call, and the topic today is intimacy. After a long, long time, we've been wanting to have this. So, have you heard of intimacy? What intimacy is in Access, guys? Shimona, you don't want to show your beautiful face to us? So, come on. What is
I
intimacy?
can tell you a general meaning of intimacy.
Go for it.
Doing that commitment on your time, whatever time you have said.
Sorry, I didn't get. What are you saying?
I said the intimacy would be a commitment
Okay.
and finishing that commitment on that particular time also.
Okay. Commitment of what?
Anything, if I make a commitment then.
So then you judge yourself for not doing it when you don't do it.
Yes. Yes.
So is it working for you? In Access, intimacy is something different. So anybody else who knows anything about intimacy would like to tell us?
So there are 5 elements of intimacy in Access.
What are those?
Vulnerability, allowance,
Gratitude.
trust, and one more.
Honor.
Kamal, you're frozen. No.
Oh, am I?
Yeah, you are getting frozen time and again. Your internet is quite slow.
Oh, okay.
Maybe we'll all have to actually switch off our videos so that there's more bandwidth or something.
I have two internet connections in my house, and if it's still like that, oh my God.
You're freezing time and again.
Oh,
Because you're staying in a very special place. यहाँ पे यूनिवर्स का ये कनेक्शन है आपके साथ.
Two. I have Airtel. I've just got Airtel 3 days back, and I had the other one here. Airtel wasn't here when I came, so
We no. Probably
I'm trying to connect to Airtel, and I don't know the password. Ha! Isn't that interesting? It's asking me for the password, and I don't have it. I thought they'd put it on my laptop and things. Oh God! So we'll have to go with Tornado. I should have checked that. I'm so sorry. Okay, guys. Now can you hear me?
yes, Kaval. पर वीडियोस ऑफ किए हैं ना तो आई थिंक
Chalo, cool. So I have a clearing. What stupidity are you using to create the absolute and complete lack of intimacy, honor, trust, vulnerability, allowance, and gratitude are you choosing? Everything that is times a godzillion, will you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, honor, shorts, boys, POADs, and beyond. So it's all available, it's all there. We would not choose it for what reason? And intimacy with self overflows to others. Do you have that much intimacy with yourself? Do you honor yourself? Do you have all these 5 elements that create a great intimacy that you are looking for in your life? If you could have it with you, you could have it with anybody. So let's start with vulnerability. So what is vulnerability for you? Is it about putting barriers? Sorry, yes, Nippy?
Being brutally honest with self.
Yeah.
You were saying something very beautiful, lowering your barriers.
For me, vulnerability is never putting up barriers to anything. Anything I am, anything I can see around, good, bad, and the ugly. For me, it is close to allowance to be who I truly be. Close to allowance of whoever I am. My life is actually, what would your life be like if you and your body, if you started to play with the 5 elements of intimacy? You cannot have intimacy with someone else unless you have it with yourself. What do I mean by that? If you're always judging yourself, if you're always seeing wrongness in you, if you're never trusting yourself, never honoring yourself, what are your points of view? What personality are you functioning from? Is that being, or is that the personality that you have thought you are? And when you're functioning from there, do you not have to judge yourself in every action and everything, because you are judging yourself, you will judge everybody else. Your point of view is that apna linen bahar nahi, dirty linen bahar nahi dhona. That's what we brought up with. That's what we grew up with, right? And if somebody is talking about their house, what point of view would you have? What is your personality that will block all that and judge all that. Hey, look at this girl. What is she doing? Why is she talking about her family, her mother-in-law, her daughter, her whatever? I'm not saying you need to talk. I'm saying you're okay with whatever that comes up, whatever that is. Are you okay? Are you say, oh, wow, wow, she's letting that go. Wow, how much ease can she have in her life after not piling up all that and hiding it in one closet to find it always popping up in their life? By being vulnerable, by trusting yourself, by being in allowance of yourself and not in the judgment of yourself, by honoring your every move, your every action, your every, oh, I did that, not making it right or wrong, but oh, that wasn't a nice choice. That wasn't a great choice. Now what can I choose? Have the love with no boundaries, unconditional for yourself. You will have it for others. It's all about energy, guys. All about energy. What energy do you be? What personality do you be when you are judging or not, when you're doing the opposite of intimacy and the 5 elements of intimacy? So, are you willing to have that for yourself? Is it something that attracts you? I say, what rubbish are you talking about, Kamal? Think of 3 things that you're grateful for about yourself. Immediately, whatever comes up first. You can say it out or write it down. What are the 3 things that you're grateful for about yourself? Nobody? Nobody wants to say? Hi, Manisha. Welcome.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
I just having my tea and just saw the message and I thought of like let's
Awesome. How did we get so lucky? Okay, so
yeah.
we are asking what 3 things um, you're grateful for yourself. So, looks, generosity, and awareness. Wow, how does it get any better than this? And what else is? I hope you're honest about that. And anybody else?
What
Anybody
made
else?
you,
Yes,
what
myself.
made you say that?
I don't know.
Awareness,
Yes.
my classes,
Okay. My classes meaning you facilitating or attending?
attending, sometimes facilitating. Like when I'm doing the classes, I'm helping others also somewhere.
Exactly, always. So
Yes,
means
I love to do that.
okay, awesome. You're grateful that
Like
you
I
take out time.
always,
You're
yeah,
grateful
I
that you
always wanted to be some contribution to this planet.
awesome. How does it get any better than this? And what else is possible? And what all in during the day do you anything that you can remember that you did yesterday?
Yes, I went to Ganpati and one of my friend, I mean, was relative was not well. So I could suggest her something regarding her health, which I have done my class.
Awesome. How does it get any better than this? And also remember that when you didn't, when you could and you didn't, step up. You know, we need to remember all good, bad, and the ugly. If we only remember the little incidents that we do, which brighten up our world and brighten up the world around us, then we are hiding from, there are many, I do so many things during the day which I'm not proud of. But by acknowledging them, I can change them.
Like,
Like I'd sit here. Yesterday we came back and we had lunch, beautiful lunch. We came back and dinner time. The day before my daughter had made pizza. She's a very good cook. I'm realizing it now. It was awesome. It was out of the world. And I had put the 2 pieces in a box in my fridge to have it later. And yesterday we went out for lunch and I told her, you eat whatever you want to. And the maid, and when I came back, I couldn't find, I mean, when at night I was looking to have that 2 pieces which were lying there, I couldn't find them. Immediately my mind goes to, she must have had it. Even though I told her to have everything, whatever she wants to have. So that is what immediately I came aware of, and I said, everywhere I am doing this, please, I poke and pot. Because this is all the personality that I have. This is also uncreating, this is also not inviting the money in my world. It is
no,
in
it can
so
be because of
many
this
ways
way also.
that so many ways it can affect this is my personality, not my being. So I recognize that and potted it. So when you were saying something, Mamta?
Yeah, I was saying it can be like this also. Chalo, kha liya hoga, khatam ho gaya. It's okay. Like no need to find it off then. And acha
That is
hua.
also
Sometimes it
both ways it is we are justifying it. I saw it, oh nahi hai, okay, never mind, I can have something else. With no judgment, with no point of view, with no, hey, somebody's taken it or eaten it. Hi, Tina. Hi, Renu. Hi, Renu, you are having a lovely time abroad. How is your trip going along, girl? Lovely to see you here. Hi, Rajeshwari. I'm sorry I was so engrossed this side that I didn't look anywhere. So, welcome. So, all these little things that when I do, I am now getting aware of it and pocking and podding that with no point of view. Yes, Nippy?
So, Kamal, can you be more vulnerable a bit on that and share a more? I mean, or you said that way you were uninviting money.
Yeah, because it's all about everything here in this reality is about money. Everything
No,
here
but
is money.
no, but you know एक मुंह में स्वाद बन जाता है कि वो बड़ा स्वाद पिज्जा है मुझे खाना है तो वो
So
चला गया तो लगता है
immediately my daughter said, I'll make it for you. Did I really want to
Oh.
eat it? I didn't want her to go and get a pizza base and make it there. So there is something behind that came so I went straight to her first. Hey, did you have those 2 pieces? She said, no. So I could see my energy. That is vulnerability. Being totally aware of where you're functioning from. Not justifying it, oh, mera to swad bana hua tha, oh, mera to ye tha, oh. Okay, go get it, make it. Swad bana hua tha to. That I didn't want.
Yeah, that's where you mean. Okay, that you didn't want because obviously it involves money. Yeah, that's where you say it uninviting money. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's uninviting money in every action of yours. So at night, please, before you sleep, say everywhere I have an uninvited money in my life.
Thank you for lovely example. It's a Pandora's box.
Yeah. We do it all the time and we just, because I'm becoming more aware of it, I am now know how subtly the energy behind it is not of abundance. The energy behind it is not of mine and yours and ours, and that is what it is. It's not about, hey, it's okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
कभी vulnerability से ज्यादा तो इधर awareness हो गया ना कि आप aware हो गए and आपने instant.
So then I'm willing to share it. I'm willing to go deeply down into what my personality is. Isn't that vulnerability? From the awareness, you get to know what personality you are. From the awareness, you get to know how you function in your life. What is awareness? Looking at all, being aware of all good, bad, and the ugly. Are we aware of that? No, we are always justifying. So we put ourselves in jails. J is for judgment, A is for agenda, I is for invention, L is for lies. We have judgment, we have agenda. Judgment of who ate it, agenda of, oh, I wanted to eat it, nobody else should have it. Invention, that all the inventions that, oh, she took it, or Ina took it, or whatever the story that comes up. And the lies we keep telling ourselves, no, I just was aware of it, and those are the stories. So all the jails that we are using to create a dominance of E equal to MC squared 2, MC square has always separated me from me. So it's separating from you. Are you choosing? Having the personality that we think is the right personality. There is no right and wrong. There's only being and there's only personality. All that we are living by, all those points of views, all those, this reality functions from, is making yourself not the being in the moment, choosing whatever works for you and having fun with it. But this is the way you have to live. This is the right way. This is the correct way. This is what you're supposed to, should do, have to do. So intimacy with self. Do I honor myself for even all the other shit thing going in my head about she shouldn't have it, she should ask me, And what is trust? Trust is not that I trust that she will not have it. I trust that she will ask me. That's not trust. Trust is that she will do what she has to do. And I know. I trust her to do what she will have to do. No point of view. It's not trusting that they will always choose correctly, according to me. That respects me. Trust is knowing what the person will do, not deciding what you want them to do. Trust is not blind faith. Trusting myself is that I will always, first thing will be, किसी ने ले लिया. Knowing that. Not wrong, not right, but knowing where I'm functioning from and changing that. It's knowing that I am going to be this, I am the person that I am, that I am today, I will be tomorrow. Only if I become aware of it and shift it and change it. And it's not like change it like this, it's working. It's building a muscle. Every time I correct myself, I am less what would you say? I'm more acceptance of what is than what I would like it to be. It's not about trying to change me. It's about being happy in my skin. It's about being what I would like to be. And it's not about trying to change someone. It's not about they abiding into what I want them to be. Force myself or force them on myself or force me on them. Just give me 1 minute, there's a bell, I'll just click for the door to open. Just give me 1 minute. You can keep talking if you want to. Okay, I'm here. The app is not working on my phone, so I could have done it from my phone. Okay, so am I making any sense? Stepping in the place of possibilities. What else is possible? All the time I'm talking about oneness here. All the time I'm talking about if I'm gifting something to somebody, I'm gifting it to myself. So when I'm judging her or when I'm judging somebody else, in this case her, what am I doing? I'm judging myself. And stepping into the space of what else is possible is vulnerability. To know that someone will choose what they will choose. Me included. There is that presence, consciousness, awareness. This is what you are aware of. What is awareness? Willing to receive whatever that is. Not from any point of view, not from judging. Oh, this is what it is. Awesome. Where does it contracts in me? If it contracts, then it's a problem, my problem, not the problem of somebody taking it out and eating it. And what do? We hide to avoid looking at it. We always justify, I did this because. What if I looked at it? Hey, I did this because this is my personality. This is I have been brought up with. This is what I've been taught. This is it working for me? Is it contracting me? Is it giving me the space that I really require to be? Hey, not. Okay, then what else is possible? What can I choose now that give me the total freedom of oneness? And choose what works for me. It doesn't work for me sometimes. Oh, I wanted to have it. So what can I do? I can tell her, like, ye wala cheez chhod dena mere liye. Not wrong, not right. Inside, you don't want them to eat. Outside, you're saying you can have anything. What did I mean by saying you can have anything lying in the fridge or make something for yourself? Did I mean it? Or I have justified it when I don't see that happening? Where am I functioning from? What's going on? Am I making any sense, guys? Or
Beautiful.
everybody just gone just because they're fed up?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Beautiful.
Relax into trusting you. This is who I am. This works for me. Awesome. This doesn't work for me. No right, no wrong. In this reality, everything is about right and wrong. First of all, when you're thinking that somebody is lower than you, somebody who is not at the same level as you. If somebody else in your house comes, you will take out 10 things to serve to them. and the same thing that's left over is eaten by somebody else you don't want them to, where are you functioning from? What is your personality here? That this person can have it and this can't? Or I can prove to this person that I'm very generous, and to this person it doesn't need to be proved. There was a story I read yesterday in the WhatsApp. I think I did post it in some of the groups. There was a lady who was buying something from somebody who guy didn't have anything. She said, some number, give me 6 number for this much of money. He was charging double of that. He said, okay, ma'am, take it because I haven't sold anything since morning. So it's okay. You can take it. I'm very glad that somebody is buying it, even if it is, I'm saying it in my words, but it wasn't that. And then she goes with a friend to a restaurant and she spends $150 there and she tips $50 to the tip guy. Now, what is this? Don't we all do that sometimes? Where are we functioning from? Are we functioning from, I think this is going different. This is going different tangent. We are talking about intimacy with self. Please, please, anything that goes on in your world, become aware of it. You don't have to tell people. You don't have to wash your television outside. You have to be vulnerable with yourself. It's not about listening to other people's vulnerability stories also. Allowing them to be where they are. Allowing yourself to be where you are. So we did trust and we did vulnerability, allowance. They're all the same actually. When you can trust yourself, you will be allowance to all. I was allowance. I didn't make myself wrong yesterday. Oh, what did I do this? I just said, this needs to change. Whatever it will take. Remind me, thank you, universe. Take me through, hold my hand. This needs to change right away, right now. And everything that doesn't allow that, destroy and uncreate it all, right, wrong, good, bad, POC, all nice shots, boys, pervads, and beyonds. That's all I did. I didn't beat myself, which I would have done earlier. In fact, I patted myself for the awareness. Awareness of something that I've been asking for. We keep asking to be a better person. We keep asking to be having the generosity of spirit. We keep asking ourselves to be vulnerable. But when we have to make choices, we go 2 steps backwards. So be an allowance of you, of wherever you are. You are beautiful the way you are. You are where you are. You're doing an amazing job with the tools you have. You are awesome. And now what? Now what else is possible? Energy is here. What energy are we being? Words are not even required. We refuse to acknowledge ourselves, the brilliance of ourselves, the tools we had. We've done a beautiful job. Even if you just start to explore that you are an energetic being and what energy you are at every given moment, you could change it. We are highly energetic beings, guys. Anything that contracts you, anything that takes your being away from you is not who you are. You do not even have to judge it. You just know this is not who I am actually. I have become this because following this reality. There's a whole amazing world of energy we can function from. We can create it with everything that comes to us in our lives. And these are the spaces, these are the spaces where we interact. And I am so grateful for Sundays and for Insta Lives and for the classes that I do. Because they are the ones give me space to be, to explore, to go beyond. I can't even imagine today my world without all this. Because we are all valuable products. You are all valuable products. Every class, every video, every audio, everything that Dane does is his last lines are that you are the one, you are so crucial to the change in the world. You are a gift the world requires at this time. I don't know what words he chooses exactly. You are the one who hold key to everything. You change, the world changes. So we did trust. Any questions, guys? Please. You don't have to be quiet. Just tell me. Any questions you have, I would love to address them. I am at the urdle of these dogs. They want to come in, they want to go out. So, come on. Nobody, everybody is gone. Bye-bye. Okay, we're done. Thank you so much for being here for 45 minutes.
So we did vulnerability, we did trust.
Allowance.
Allowance.
Would you be willing to be that for yourself? Allowance. Anything, everything that you do or you've done, are you in allowance of that?
So, there is उसके साथ उसका कोई मीनिंग तो नहीं है पर एक शेम अटैच हो जाती है the things you didn't like what you did
That's what I told you, is that I didn't beat myself up. I didn't put any shame or anything on that because those are all distractor implants. The moment you do that, you're out of what you can change. The moment you are into, oh, मैं तो गंदी हूँ, मैं तो खराब हूँ, मैंने तो ऐसे कैसे कह दिया, मैंने वो कर दिया, immediately you have stopped any door of any other generosity you're going to be the same, always living there, playing that game with yourself, doing things and then making yourself wrong, doing things and making yourself wrong. That's how we live. That's everybody lives on this planet. Hello, Gurmeet. Welcome. If you want to change anything, there is no room for distractor implants. There is no room for any of these blame, shame, regret, guilt, whatever. There is no room for them. There is action required. There's change required. Are you willing to ask some questions? Hey, what is this? Is it working for me? It is. Oh, good. Be that bulldozer that we saw yesterday. Be the bulldozer that you actually are. And have no problem. This is who I am. I cannot waste it. This is what I like. I like my things not to be touched. Fine. Not wrong, not right. But you're saying that, oh, we are going out for lunch. You can have whatever you want. In fact, I told her, तू सब्जी सुब्जी कुछ नहीं पड़ी हुई तो तू 2 अंडे बना, परांठे बना के खा. And she did. And then I was, वो भी खा लिया, ये भी खा लिया होगा. That is my personality. I pretend that, oh my God, I'm so generous. But generosity has limitations in my world. Is it working for me? No, I'm asking for consciousness. I am facilitating people to consciousness. I am changing my life. I want to change everybody's life. I want to gift, be the change that I want to look at the change that in the world. And I'm not willing to change. That doesn't work. It doesn't go on the same platform. And that's not me. I would willingly desire to be who I truly am. I'm finding out. I was not who I was. I was who this reality wanted me to be. You please this week explore and let us know what you discovered next Sunday. Do you have intimacy with yourself? And what is the definition I think in Access we have is of intimacy? To treat someone with regard, not with judgment. You get to be who, what, when, where, how you desire to be. And allow others to be who, what, when, where, how, when, how why they desire to be. And everything that is going in our world can be traced back to when we picked it up, or you don't even need to know all that story. You just need to, if you're light and happy and asking questions and you get the awareness of what you would like to be in your world, you just have to ask a question and park and pod it. That goes to the moment you bought that, created that. It's like a house of cards. You take out the bottom card, the whole house will be fall apart. So you go to the point of creation and you destroy it, it will go away. It will go away, meaning you will, I mean, it's really amazing. I used to think it will go away. But if I am not willing to let it go away, it won't. If I'm still functioning, if I'm aware and I'm choosing and I'm every time walking and podding and building a muscle to be who I truly be, it can change. But if you say, मैंने तो clearing कर दी 100 बार, 1000 बार, 2000 बार, अब तो हो गया होगा clear. Sorry. More situations you will be able to see in your world coming, falling like rain or thunder, and expecting you to choose again, to choose again, to build a muscle, to choose again, to build a muscle. Are you willing? I used to say, मैं अभी तो पॉग एंड पॉड किया, अभी फिर ये फिर आ गया, अब ये मुझे यहाँ पे भी करना पड़ेगा. Yes, you asked for it, darling. Go for it. Clear it every time. Choose something different. Clear it. That's building a muscle. You go to a gym, you're not saying, मैं gym चली गई, अब मैं पतली हो जाऊंगी. या अब मैं, I have 6-pack. You have to work towards it. You have to build that muscle. Every time you're feeling wonky or contracted, ask, become curious. Hey, what am I aware of? Not figuring it out, not judging. What am I aware of? And if I became aware of it, I could change it. The moment you become aware of some pain, you can change it. The moment you keep putting carpet on it, you can't change anything. So the next was, what was the next? Actually, they're all interrelated. Honor. How much are you honoring yourself in every now moment? An allowance is good, bad, and the ugly. Allowance of everything. Everything is just an interesting point of view. Oh, I did that. Interesting, I did that. Would I like to change it? And what would I have to do and be to change that, universe? Can you show me how? And gratitude. Gratitude is being grateful for everything you have, you are, or you have in your life. Grateful for your life. Grateful for every moment, good, bad, and the ugly. Because everything that contracts you, everything that you think is ugly, everything that you do not want, is also polishing the diamond that you are. Are you willing to become the polished crystal, diamond? What stupidity are we using to create the absolute and complete lack of intimacy? So when you say these statements, what happens? Okay, I'm going to say this statement. Tell me what happened. Did you feel light? So what stupidity are you using to create the absolute and complete lack of intimacy, honor, trust, vulnerability, allowance, and gratitude are you choosing? And everything that is times a godzillion, will you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, pod, online, shots, boys, pervads, and beyonds. Hey guys, this is a clearing statement. This is a magic wand. You clear this, the energy that brings up when you ask a process, an energy comes up, light, heavy, whatever, and it is different for different people. And when you use this clearing statement on the back, the mind doesn't get time to decipher, figure it out. It's like, whoa, what happened? And it clears the energy. Everything is energy. So using these clearing statements can get you to what you're looking for. So what happened? Did you feel light? I'll say it again. What stupidity are you using to create the absolute and complete lack of intimacy, honor, trust, vulnerability, allowance, and gratitude are you choosing? Everything that is times a godzillion, will you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, pod, honor, short, boys, pervads, and beyond. If you want to know more about this clearing statement, go to theclearingstatement.com and you will get the explanation from the horse's mouth, from the co-creator and Simone, the worldwide coordinator. Or I think she's beyond that now. So was it light? So when it's light, your body is saying yes, because that's what your body and being is. And that means that, hey, anything comes in my way, I am going to clear it and choose something different to build the muscle to be who I truly be. To be the honor, vulnerability, gratitude, trust, and what was it? Allowance. Once you master these, once you become aware of where you're functioning from, these 5 elements can change your reality and allow you to be who you truly be. When you have it for you, you have it for everybody else.
Kaval, one more time clearing.
Okay, there are, yes?
1 minute more.
हाँ, कौन है? हाँ. There are 5 elements of intimacy, and you all know now. What stupidity are you using to what stupidity are you using to create the absolute and complete lack of intimacy, honor, vulnerability, trust, gratitude, allowance are you choosing? Everything that is times a godzillion. Will you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, honor, short, boys, pervads, and beyonds.
Can you just talk about complete the lack?
Because हम लोग है ही नहीं ना ये हमारे पास ये लैक है ना. हम अपने आप को ट्रस्ट नहीं करते, अपने आप को ऑनर नहीं करते, अपने अलाउंस में नहीं रहते, अब खुद के लिए ग्रेटिट्यूड नहीं होता, खुद को ही नहीं पता होता कि मैं एग्जैक्टली क्या हूं, मेरी क्या पर्सनैलिटी है. हम अपने आप को ही जस्टिफाई करते रहते हैं. बीइंग वल्नरेबल, बीइंग ओपन बुक, हियर आई एम, दिस इज हु आई एम, लाइक इट और नॉट, बाय बाय. If we have lack of all this, if we didn't have lack of all this, we would have honor, trust, allowance, vulnerability. Hi, Manjeet. Hi, Guneet. Lovely to have you guys.
Thanks, Kaval. And it's 9 o'clock.
Yes, thank you for saying that. So, what is the next topic?
हमने पर्सनालिटी के ऊपर बात कर लिया है ना पहला. That तो comes in.
पर्सनैलिटी के ऊपर बात कर लिया, पर वो तो there is any topic can go on and on from.
नहीं, वो पर्सनैलिटी वाला बहुत अच्छा है. पर्सनैलिटी एंड बीइंग करते हैं.
Yeah, so we'll do that.
Okay. All right, we did personality, but we can do it again. But you have to have questions. So your job is to ask me questions. Because मैं तो फिर वही बोल दूंगी जो पहले बोला था. Of course, it's never like that. But you need to ask me questions about personality. Okay?
Okay.
All right, guys. Love you all. Thank you so much for giving your precious time. And I'm so very grateful for you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank
Love
you.
you.
Awesome call.
Love you.